Welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you an easy recipe called the paneer, potato and corn toast. This recipe is great for parties and will be loved by everybody from kids to elders. It's really a very nice recipe and worth a try. For this we need bread slices, chopped paneer, boiled and crushed sweet corn kernels, boiled, peeled and chopped potatoes, grated cheese, milk, finely chopped coriander, corn flour, finely chopped green chillies, melted butter and salt. First, for this recipe, we'll make the topping. We've added the corn, milk, potatoes, paneer, green chillies and salt. If you're making this for kids, kindly reduce the chillies. This is corn flour. And we'll be adding cheese, the main ingredient of this recipe. Cheese is loved by everybody. We'll be adding only little cheese right now. Now all the ingredients have been combined, so now we'll mix it well till it's little thick. Make sure you continuously stir it because you've added corn flour, it'll get lumpy. Always cook this on a medium flame. And when you're cooking it, try mashing it little with the back of your spoon. Make sure that you also clean the edges because that will start burning very fast. See, it's already getting thick as you can see. If you want to make this in advance and keep, make sure that your milk proportion is little higher. Otherwise, it will dry up and get really thick and difficult to spread on your bread. This is a creamy and a spicy topping for your bread. It's smelling really very nice. It's almost ready. It takes approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Now our mixture is getting little thick. Now we'll be adding the coriander. This gives a nice taste to the recipe as well as little green color. Our topping is now ready. Now we'll keep this aside to cool slightly. Till then we will make the bread base. These are our bread slices. With the help of a cookie cutter, we'll be cutting them into rounds. You can take any shaped ones. Here I have used round. See, you need to have them like these. Always make sure you take a sharp-edged cookie cutter. We'll be cutting the second now. All our bread roundels are ready. Now we have to bake these rounds. For that, we will grease the baking tray with butter. Lightly grease it. We'll be placing the bread rounds and we'll lightly butter the bread rounds top as well. Very lightly. This is a very crispy recipe with a soft topping. Now we'll bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes till they're light brown in color and crisp. Our bread has been toasted and is now ready. Now we'll be putting little of the topping on each of the bread toast. Then we'll be adding some grated cheese. Make sure when you're putting the cheese, it doesn't fall on the tray, as this will cause the cheese from burning because we're going to rebake this. Now we'll be baking this again in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes or till the cheese melts. These have been baked and our cheese is melted. Now it's time to serve these. These are hot, cheesy and spicy all in one. Serve this with any sauce of your choice, but I would suggest a sweet chili sauce. It goes really well with this starter. So our paneer, potato and corn toast is ready to serve. But make sure you always serve these really hot, otherwise they do not taste as great.
आपको मेरी सिंपल रेसिपी कैसी लगी? आपको अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, और आपको मेरी दूसरी रेसिपी अच्छी लगी तो आप यहाँ क्लिक कीजिए। अरे हाँ, आपके सजेशंस और कमेंट्स ज़रूर हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए।